The most important thing you can have in your emergency preparedness kit is clean drinking water, which is why I got these API Kirk containers, 5-gallon Samson stackable containers. They are amazing to have for any kind of situation, any emergency preparedness or natural disaster, anything where you need to have fresh backup water for drinking. These containers are stackable, as you can see, so they're really convenient to keep stored. In any situation where you are reliant on clean water, you want to have 1 gallon per person in your household. So with 4 of us, this is about 5 days worth of emergency water. Since together this is 20 gallons. They come with the cap wrench so that you can really tighten them on to make sure the water stores really nicely, or to take it off. And then it also comes with this spigot too. Each container is about 15 inches tall, about 10 inches wide on the top, so that you can easily stack them. We do have a well for our water, so when I fill these up, I actually do go through a boiling process so that it kills any pathogens or microbes, just for longer storage. So I dated this one to use by December 2025. Luckily, we didn't have to, and that's the point of these things. You don't want to have to use emergency water, but hey, if you need them, you're going to be really, really happy that you have them. This isn't just for drinking. You need emergency water for cooking with your food, or to use for hygiene and cleaning and sanitation. So that's why the general rule is 1 gallon per person in your household. I'm going to go ahead and open one of these up, and we're going to give it a taste test. Looks good so far. In order for us to use this spigot, we would have to open up this center hole here, which I'm not going to do right now, but if you did, you simply just twist it on and then attach this onto the jug, and then you'd be able to pour the water right out of the spigot. I'm just going to do a little bit just for a taste test. So there it is. Let's see how it is. It's stale. It's probably close to 1.5 years old. It's stale, but I think if we just give it a little shake, put a little bit of oxygen in it, it'll start to improve the flavor a little bit. If I was begging for water, this is perfect. Thankfully, I have these jugs as backup. I can't recommend them enough. Definitely get some for your family, for your emergency situations that you never know when or could happen, but you want to be smart and you want to be prepared.